Have you ever wondered why some people never worry about money again? Do you know what truly separates the rich from those who struggle forever? While most people trade time for money, the wealthy build assets that work for them. Today, let's uncover the 8 powerful assets that can make you rich and free you from the 9-to-5 grind. 1. Start a business. Starting a business is one of the best ways to become rich and achieve financial freedom. Unlike employees who trade time for money, business owners build systems that make money even when they sleep. This is the main difference between rich entrepreneurs and people who work regular jobs. When you are an employee, your income stops the moment you stop working. But when you own a business, the money keeps coming in, even if you take a break. This is why successful entrepreneurs like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Mark Zuckerberg are among the richest people in the world. They started from nothing, worked hard in the beginning, and built businesses that now generate billions of dollars. Building a business takes time and effort, but once it is successful, it creates wealth for generations. Unlike a job where you're limited by how many hours you can work, a business can grow and make money without your constant involvement. Entrepreneurs focus on creating something valuable that people need, which allows them to make money in a smarter way. If you want to escape the 9-to-5 cycle, starting a business is the best way to do it. It gives you control over your time, your income, and your future. Instead of working for someone else your entire life, why not build something of your own? A business can provide financial security, freedom, and a better life for you and your family. While the journey may not be easy at first, the rewards are worth it. Take the first step, learn, and start building your own success today. 2. Invest in real estate. Investing in real estate is one of the smartest ways to build wealth and earn passive income. When you own rental properties, you get paid every month without having to work extra hours. The best part is that you don't even need to have all the money up front. You can use bank loans, also known as other people's money, OPM, to buy properties. Here's how it works. You buy a house and rent it out to tenants. The rental income covers your mortgage payments, property taxes, and maintenance costs. Over time, as you pay off the loan, you fully own the property and continue earning rental income for life. Real estate is also a great way to reduce taxes because the government offers tax benefits to property owners. Additionally, property values tend to increase over time, which protects your money from inflation. Unlike a regular job where your income stops if you stop working, real estate keeps paying you for years. It is a great way to achieve financial freedom, build long-term wealth, and secure a future for your family. If you want to escape the 9-to-5 cycle, investing in real estate is a proven path to success. 3. Invest in paper assets. Investing in paper assets like stocks, bonds, and index funds is a great way to grow your money without working extra hours. Stocks allow you to own a small part of a big company, meaning when the company makes money, you do too. Bonds are like loans. You lend money to companies or the government, and they pay you back with profit over time. Instead of spending money on entertainment or unnecessary things, you can invest in stocks, mutual funds, or bonds, and let your money grow. The best part is that these investments work even while you sleep. Unlike a business that requires effort or real estate that needs management, paper assets don't need much work, just smart investing. The more you invest, the faster you can escape the 9-to-5 rat race and have more financial freedom. Many people become wealthy by investing early and letting their money grow for years. Even small investments can add up over time. If you want to stop depending on a paycheck, start investing in stocks and bonds today. It's a simple and smart way to build wealth and create a better future for yourself. 4. Commodities. Gold, silver, oil, food. Investing in commodities like gold, silver, oil, and food is a great way to protect your wealth. Gold and silver never lose value because they are rare and always in demand. Unlike paper money, which can lose value over time, gold and silver hold their worth no matter what happens in the economy. Food and oil are also essential for daily life, making them valuable even in tough times. No matter how the world changes, people will always need food to eat and oil for transportation and energy. That's why the rich invest in commodities to secure their wealth. These physical assets don't depend on the stock market or currency value, making them a safe investment during financial crises. If money loses its value, commodities will still be worth something. Investing in commodities is a smart way to protect your future and build wealth for the next generations. It's not just about getting rich. It's about keeping your money safe in a world where prices and currencies keep changing. If you want to grow and protect your wealth, commodities are a strong and reliable choice. 5. Time, the most valuable asset. Time is the most valuable asset you have because once it's gone, you can never get it back. You can always earn more money, but you can't create more time. That's why successful people use their time wisely to build wealth and financial freedom. Many people spend years working hard but never focus on creating real wealth. The key to success is starting early and making smart choices. One of the best ways to use time wisely is to start investing as early as possible. Even small investments today can grow into a large fortune in the future. Time allows your money to multiply through compound interest. The sooner you start, the more wealth you can build. Another way to make the best use of time is to learn new skills, start a side hustle, or improve your career. Instead of wasting weekends watching TV or scrolling through social media, use that time to do something productive that benefits your future. Many wealthy people don't just work hard, they work smart. They understand that time is their most limited resource, so they focus on activities that bring long-term success. If you waste your time now, you might regret it later. But if you use it wisely, you can achieve financial freedom much faster. Every second you spend today is shaping your future. If you want to break free from the 9-to-5 routine, start making smart choices with your time. Learn, grow, and take action. The earlier you start, the richer and more successful you will become in the long run. Don't wait. Your future starts today. 6. Your health. Your health is one of the most valuable assets you have. Without good health, all the money in the world won't matter. Many people spend their lives working hard, only to spend their wealth on medical bills later. Unhealthy habits like eating junk food, smoking, and drinking too much not only harm your body, but also cost you a lot of money. A person who is fit and healthy can work better, earn more, and enjoy life longer. That's why rich people take care of their health, just like they take care of their money. The best way to protect this asset is to exercise regularly, eat nutritious food, and avoid harmful habits. A strong and healthy body gives you energy, focus, and a longer life to enjoy financial freedom. Remember, being wealthy is useless if you're not healthy enough to enjoy it. If you invest in your health today, you won't just live longer, you'll live better. A healthy body allows you to keep earning, keep growing, and truly enjoy the success you work for. Always remember, health is wealth, and without it, everything else loses its value. Take care of your body, and it will take care of you. 7. Online assets, YouTube, websites, blogs. Building online assets is one of the easiest ways to earn money without a big investment. Platforms like YouTube, blogs, and online courses allow you to make money by sharing knowledge and skills. The best part? You can earn passive income, which means you keep making money even when you're not working. Many successful YouTubers and bloggers started with nothing but a simple idea and now make thousands of dollars every month. Unlike a regular job, online assets can grow without limits. There's no cap on how much you can earn. Here's how it works. You create valuable content, build an audience, and earn money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. If you stay consistent, your online business can bring financial freedom in just a few years. Imagine waking up every day knowing your content is making money for you. The earlier you start, the faster you can achieve success. Whether it's a YouTube channel, a website, or an online course, investing time in online assets can give you the freedom to work on your own terms. Start today, and in the future, you could be making money while you sleep. 8. Your network. Your network is one of the most powerful assets you can build. There's a famous saying, your network is your net worth. This means the more people you know, the more opportunities you get. Successful people don't succeed alone. They have connections that open doors to new ideas, partnerships, and business deals. Whether you want to start a business, find a better job, or grow your income, who you know matters just as much as what you know. The best way to grow your network is to offer value to others. Help people, share knowledge, and be a problem solver. Join communities, attend events, and market yourself. The more visible you are, the more chances you have to meet the right people. A strong network can make your business grow faster and bring financial success. Many big deals happen not because someone was the most skilled, but because they had the right connections. If you want to be successful, start building relationships today. Surround yourself with like-minded people, and opportunities will come your way. Remember, the right connections can change your life forever. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more ways to achieve financial freedom. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video.